Hello, respectable audience. It is 18 and 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. So we have 18 divided by 18, which will be equal to 1. So 1 will be our answer. But remember that it is not correct way to solve because we have many mistakes in this question. So first of all we have to move from left to right. That's okay. So it means we have to solve this portion first. So first step is 18 and the remaining portion means 2 times 3 times 3 will be written as it is. Again we have to move from left to right. Means now we have to solve this one. So 18 divided by 2 will be equal to 9. Here is 3 times 3. Now again we have to move from left to right. So 27 times 3, which will be equal to 81. So 81 will be correct answer for this question. Thank you for your support.